In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to recover Clash Royale account. Let's get started. So if you have lost access to your account, this method will help you get it back. Launch Clash Royale and tap on three lines at the top of the screen. Navigate to the option settings. Now here, click on the option Help and Support. Once you are in, select Account and then tap on Recover Account. Now choose the option that says I have lost access and you can quickly read through the instructions if you want. Then scroll down, click on this option, Open Support Ticket. Now here you'll need to type in Recover My Account and send it. Now you'll need to fill in these details. Tag of your lost account, likewise name of your lost account, trophy count, clan. After you fill this, you can submit it. The Supercell support team will review it and get back to you for further instructions to help you recover your account. And that's it. This way you can easily recover your Clash Royale account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.